Hi guys, today we will be reviewing the Aqua Mini Sennelier travel kit. This is quite an affordable one which is available in the market, where you get a really small size. This is in fact a little bigger than my palm, and that's about how big this is. So this has about 8 colors, and I'm trying to see how much is the ml of each one of them. I'm not sure over here yet, but I don't think it's too much. I think it's half pants basically. Demigod's half pants. There are about 8 colors. So here are the colors which are available. You'll have a primary yellow, you have a French vermilion, you have a Sennelier blue, you have an ultramarine blue, and you have a green light, you have a sap green, a burnt umber, and a Payne's grey. So I'm excited actually to see how the grey would be, and also to see how the colors would also pan out in this particular one. So this is even smaller than the earlier kits that I've been using. I've been using a lot of primer travel kits, and this is smaller than that. It's very cute, extremely cute. So here it's very creamy. You can see that it's got stuck onto the lid over here, but it's okay. We'll manage with that. And they have a really small brush along. Let's see if this would be of any use. It's a little sticky. I think some color must have like come off, but I'll probably just have to like wash it and then use it. So far it looks really nice. So let's see how the colors are. I'll try and I don't think I would be using this brush because it's extremely sticky. I'll probably use another brush and try and see how the colors come from that. And we are going to make a tiny swatch card with these colors. So I'm going to pick out a really small brush, and we'll start with the nice primary yellow. Of course, it might be hard for you to use that as a palette, but I love how comfortable it is and how there's a good amount of space between the colors, so they don't merge with each other. So normally you would have that problem a lot with different kinds of pan sets. The colors would just merge with each other. Yes, some of them are a little less in terms of the consistency, like the yellow is filled quite a lot, the green is filled quite well, but the burnt umber and this blue isn't filled much. But I guess these things are pretty common issues, I should say. We have the ultramarine blue. It's very creamy. I like that about this kit. Sennelier in general, the paints are very nice. I've been using their tubes for a bit, but I think this cake is perfect if you're traveling somewhere or if you're going somewhere where you don't want to carry too many things along with you. The colors are really, I would say they're quite, the pigment is in fact pretty strong. Let's try this brown or the burnt umber. Oops, I mixed a little bit of the sap green in this now. Their primary colors are quite good. You can mix them to form tons of colors. Oh, that grey, if you take a good strong pigment, does look like black. It's very nice and strong. I'm trying a lighter version now to see how it pans out. So this is a very good set that we have over here. These are the 8 colors that you will get along with your Sennelier Aqua Mini set. So I hope this video helps you to figure out if this is something that will work for you. I think for a beginner, this at least if you don't want to invest too much into the tubes yet and you're not sure if you like these colors, I think you must definitely give this a shot. It comes up to, I think, INR 8.99 when I bought them. So you can see if you can find a better deal somewhere else, or if it's a little higher also, I think it's a good one to start off with. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, you can subscribe to my channel, and I'll be putting up a lot of art videos. Thank you.